Hello, kids! Welcome to Phonics Teach. Today, we're going to learn the N family words. Are you ready? Great! Let's say it together. N. 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 Amazing! Now let's read some N family words. N. Ben. Ben is a boy's name. N. Den. Den is a small home for wild animals. N. Fen. Fen is a wet, grassy area near water. N. Hen. Hen is a mama chicken. N. Men. Men means grown-up boys or fathers. N. Pen. We use a pen to write. N. Ten. 10 is the number 10. N. Yen. Yen is the money used in Japan. Great job, kids! You learned all the N family words together. Ben. Den. Fen. Hen. Men. Pen. Ten. And yen. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Phonics Teach for more fun phonics videos.